Oh, hi everyone. So welcome to the channel again. My name is Jose Alberto. Oh, let me fix it. And in this video, I wanted to show you how you can create your first portfolio in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay. First, let me show you what we're going to create in this video. We're going to create this project. Okay. Yes, this project is a simple uh, page here, and but let me show you the code. If we change, for instance, the hour, let's say that the hour, let's turn the command, let's change here, post time equals 15, for instance. Okay, here, oh, didn't change, now is 50 hours, but we put here 8, let's save again, and oh, is the, sorry, let me show you the correct, yes, is this model. Let's open it. Yes, oh wait. Oh, now it's 8 hours. Oh, this color is not so good. We're going to change it, don't worry. Okay, so if we change the time or the number, our page is going to change the background color in this image and this text too. Okay, so let's go. Let's start it. So let's start. Just sing, right? This is magic. Why? Because this is the structure that we have in HTML. We have a body, and here we have a header and a section, and inside the section we have some divs, right? And we have a footer too. So our first step is going to build this structure in HTML. Okay, let's go. So okay, let's go. And to start, what we're going to do, we need to delete these files. Not delete because I'm going to delete just because I will create for the completely zero review. Okay, and I'm going to delete this. And I'm going to delete it. So first, I created a folder. Yes, and you created a folder in your path file when you want. And here we create a folder. And first, let's create our HTML. Let's call it index. Okay, index HTML file. Let's create our style too. Sorry, it's going to be here. Our style CSS. And finally, let's create our script. Our script JS. Okay, so we create our HTML, our CSS, and our script JS. So the first, do you remember about that image here? So we have a body, right? We have a header, we have a section with two divs, and we have a footer. So let's create this structure. So here, okay, and you call it, and we have our body, right? Amazing. And inside our body, what do we have? We have a header, right? And we have a section, right? Yes. But inside the section, we have a div. Actually, are two divs, right? We have two divs. Let's save our project. Okay. We have two divs. We have a section, and outside the section, but inside the body, we have a footer. So here we have a footer. All right. So this is our basically our basic. Sorry, this is our basic structure. All right. So we created our structure in HTML. But now let's write a little. So here is going to be our title. Let's just call it about title. And here in this section, the first section, right, is going to be the imagine. I remember. Do you remember about that structure that we have a section and with a text and then imagine? So in this first div, we need to insert, or we call it ID of message, right? Yes. So we have a message here, and in the second div we need to insert a photo. Okay, and this is going to be our photo, and you will understand later. And the footer, we need to put some symbol. Let's write a copy. This is copies for insert some different symbol. This is very nice. And my name, yes. Let's save. So for a while, let's see what we are creating. We are downloading, and here, so we have here our tile, right? So here we have our tile, and this symbol. This is the symbol of copy, about that copyright. Yes. So here. Oh, let's continue, right? So here, let's continue. So we inserted that. Now, let's create inside here, inside this div, we can right here. Here, I will show my message. Let's save. Let's see again. Here, I will show my message. So this is the HTML that we're structuring, okay? Here, and that's for a while. And now, and here, let's call it about first portfolio, right? Let's call it about first portfolio, and header and tile, and here. I will show my message, okay? And div, we created that div. All right. So what I'm missing? We have the section. Let's separate that just to organize better. Here, okay. Let's save that. And now, what we can do? We can't call our CSS and our JavaScript. To put our CSS, we need to go here in head, right? And let's use that link rel. This is our style sheet, right? And it ref is going to be what? CSL.csv. He recognized it, right? Let's close it. And let's save. So this line will, let's say, call our CSS. And now let's insert our JavaScript, all right? Or JavaScript. And here in the script, oh sorry, to be here, script, right? SCR equals going to be our script JS, right? And here, okay. So we created, we call it our CSS, right? And we call it our JavaScript too. That is the codes, right, that we'll create it later. This is the basic, our basic structure in our HTML. But before we continue, do you remember that our site will have some images, right? So let's create a folder here with these images. So that images, and I have this image too. I will just input inside this folder that images that we use. All right, so we will use 3 images. Okay, that image is going to be one for morning, one for afternoon, and one for night. All right, so let's see this images. We can just select our images in any place in our computer and we can drop for here. See it? Yes. I will use this image, that one, and that one. Okay. So here, and don't save. Okay. Let's save that. This is our HTML structure, and now this div, right, is the div for the image. So let's insert the path file. Is good. We have the images, and we have, for instance, the morning. We can use that. And out, let's insert that too, just for insert the photo. And let's save that. Okay, let's see we need to save our project, right? In the morning, right? And sorry. Delete that. We need to create imagine. Oh my god! And this is imagine we call img, and this is the photo is images, right? And here we put the morning, right? And the morning, right? And now it's going to be our photo. Let's close that. Let's close. Okay. So what we did right here, we create our div. Oh, sorry. Let's start. We create a header. Let's see our header. This is our header. Oh, you are seeing the image here. This is our header. So all of this is our body. And inside our body we have a header. And here we have a section that will show this message and this image. And about this message and this image, all of this is one section, but each one, they are separated divs, alright? And here we have a footer. That was we did here. So we created, we have a section and we have a div with this imagine, and we have another div that we call, right, our imagine. Exactly right here, and we have a footer too. Okay, so our HTML for a while is done. Now let's go to our CSS, alright? And what we can do here, first we just let's put a margin here and a padding too, and sorry to be a little fat here, but in this part I just wanted to focus in JavaScript code. Alright, so here is box is sizing and font family. We can use Arial and sans serif. Let's save and let's see our. Okay, we can note some changes. Yeah, already. Now let's do some things in our body, right? We can min weight in here just to see, yes. Let's save and let's see what we change. Okay, we have a min, and let's put our display. It's going to be flex, right? And flex direction to our column. Yes, here. Let's save and align items. Let's put it in center. Let's save. Oh, I see. Our website is starting to change it. Okay, let's continue. All right. And justify content. We can use our space between. Right, and our background, let's use let's use that color. I will choose one that let's see the color, let's see. Oh, this is starting to change. So this is background, and after we will change this background too. And a color, let's finish that. Let's put a line weight with 1.6, and padding 2 pix. Okay, change. Okay, here. Okay, we changed this body. All right.